What is up, Bngrz? Today we're gonna see 5 tips to make instant better drops. I like to call the first one surgical sidechain. Sidechain is one of the most important things to get the maximum loudness possible. Unfortunately, I'm seeing a lot of producers doing it wrong. To be as precise as possible, just put a volume shaper or any volume automation on your kick and draw a shape so the kick is almost fully masked out. Then just duplicate this automation on any element you would like to sidechain. That way, you're sure the sub-frequencies of your kick won't clash with any other element in your track. Add background elements. Background elements are way too often set aside, whereas they can really bring your track to life and make your main scenes pop more. For example, this drop sounds a bit flat and empty. Adding a bunch of reverbed scenes and vocals give more dimension to the track and make it sound like prose. Use as much layers and texture as possible. They are a great way to turn a muddy sound into an unforgettable audio experience for the listener. This drop I'm working on is a great example. We have a great starting point, but it feels like it's missing a lot of information. Adding a noise layer to the sub makes it more fat. Adding a bunch of layers to the main scenes makes the track less flat and creates a more immersive sound. And the drop sounds fuller. Glitches and fizz. They are super easy to make and contribute into making your track sound finished. For example, you can use the different warp modes and do resampling to create your own ones. Then just drop them wherever you feel in your track. And done. Listen. See how that grooves to this part? Dynamic reverb. This is a super fun way to add movement to your track without having to add new elements. The synth part sounds kind of boring and it's lacking movement. A simple way to add this dynamism is to create grooves out of big reverb tails. Simply automate the dry wet signals and boom! See how the drop has way more hook? I hope you enjoyed these tips and I love to see them used in your tracks. Feel free to send them on our Discord's feedback channel, I'd be glad to review them. Don't forget to support the channel for more music production tutorials and make sure to check our website for exclusive resources and to learn more about the NFT side of the project. Thanks for watching and see you next week.